What's going on, guys? Today we're going to do a little bit of experimenting. Got the fit running here. Doing some experimenting of the exhaust. Right now it's turbocharged, but it's 2.5 inch all the way back. No catalytic converter, no muffler or anything. No resonator. I made this megaphone expansion chamber type thing. Wanted to see what kind of effect it had. I've also got a vibrant resonator here, a vibrant muffler, and we're just going to slide all of them onto the end here, and we'll show you what the sound difference between all of these. The car's been idling for a while, so its engine's nice and warm. So none of these will be cold. What it'll sound like cold. I am in the garage, so this will, I don't know, affect the sound somewhat. But we'll set this up and see how it sounds through the camera. First, we'll start off with just just how it is, straight. So this is 2.5 inch straight pipes. No mufflers, no resonators, nothing. So that's it. Straight piped. It's loud. You can hear the turbo a lot though, which I like. Next, we will try with this. Got this rubber coupler, just so this doesn't rattle off the end. Definitely a little bit louder. I feel like it has a touch more rasp. I don't know, kind of hard to tell. I'll have to watch back on the video. Next we'll do just resonator. This is 2.5 inch. I always get people ask, oh, what's the resonator do versus a muffler, and only a resonator or only a muffler? So we'll try all those configurations out. So this is just the resonator. It quiets it down a little bit. It's a deeper tone. But rev it up. It's a deeper tone. It gets rid of some of the rasp. Quiets it down a little bit, but mostly just reduces those higher frequencies of the rasp. Next we'll do just the muffler. That's an even deeper tone. That quieted it down a significant amount. air through the intake, but not through the exhaust, which is what it is. Next we will do the muffler and the resonator. Quieter, even lower tone with that. See, it's sticking way out the back there. Alright, let's rev this one up. That's manageably quiet. I don't know. I like it loud. So that's all the testing we're gonna do. I'll shut this off real quick. Alright, so there we go. That's a little sound comparison of all these. So there you go. With all of these resonators, they're straight through, no baffling. Same with the mufflers, straight through, no baffling, so no, won't have any performance loss running a muffler or resonator or anything, just quieting it down. But I don't drive long distances. I don't drive this car every day, so I enjoy the loud noises and all the turbo sounds. So we'll probably just leave it how it is. I will, however, think I'm gonna put this on the old BMW and see what kind of difference it makes on that with the straight six. But alright, there we go. Comparison of all the resonators, the mufflers, straight piped. Keep in mind this is turbocharged, so the turbo is quieting things down a decent amount. If your car is naturally aspirated, then it will be louder. But if it's naturally aspirated and no cat, if you still have your stock cats, it'll be quieter than this. But if you take your cats out, it will be significantly louder. But alright, well, that's all I wanted to do today. Catch you guys in the next one.